Hey space enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some exhilarating news about China's ambitious lunar mission, Chang'e-6. This mission marks a significant milestone in space exploration, and we're here to give you all the exciting details. On June 6th at 2:48 a.m. Eastern, the Chang'e-6 spacecraft completed a critical step by docking its ascent vehicle with the service module in lunar orbit. This docking maneuver is crucial as it paves the way for bringing the first samples from the far side of the moon back to Earth. Just a few minutes later, at 3:24 a.m., the lunar material container was successfully transferred to the reentry module. Next, the Chang'e-6 orbiter will jettison the ascent vehicle, which will then be deorbited into the moon. The orbiter will remain in lunar orbit for about 2 weeks, waiting for the perfect window to return to Earth. Around June 25th, it will release the re-entry capsule, which will land in Xizhiwang-Banner, Inner Mongolia. This robotic lunar orbit rendezvous is only the second of its kind, following the Chang'e-5 mission in 2020. This complex operation mirrors aspects of the Apollo missions and is invaluable practice for China's plans to put astronauts on the moon before the end of the decade. The Chang'e-6 mission, launched on May 3rd, consists of 4 spacecraft. The lander, equipped with an ascent vehicle, landed in Apollo crater on the lunar far side on June 1st. Using a scoop and drill, the lander collected samples, which were then loaded into the ascent vehicle. After just over 49 hours on the moon, the ascent vehicle lifted off with up to 2,000 grams of unique lunar samples, completing 4 orbital adjustments before docking with the orbiter. The re-entry module containing these precious samples will be released shortly before the orbiter returns to Earth. The re-entry capsule will skip off the atmosphere to reduce its velocity before re-entering Earth's atmosphere. These lunar far-side samples are expected to provide groundbreaking insights into the differences between the moon's near and far sides and offer clues about the early solar system's history. The Chang'e-6 orbiter might also embark on an extended mission depending on its remaining fuel. For instance, the Chang'e-5 orbiter visited the Sun-Earth Lagrange point 1 before returning to the moon to test a distant retrograde orbit. Chang'e-6 is part of China's ambitious 4th phase of lunar exploration, which includes 2 more missions to the moon's south pole, Chang'e-7 in 2026 and Chang'e-8 around 2028. These missions aim to test in-situ resource utilization and other technologies, forming the foundation for the China-led International Lunar Research Station (ILRS) program, which has garnered international interest. Stay tuned as we keep you updated on this incredible journey of lunar exploration. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest space news. Until next time, keep looking up and dreaming big.